Did you know that combining honey and garlic can create a natural remedy so powerful it's been shown to rival some prescription antibiotics in fighting bacteria? That's right. These two humble kitchen staples, when used together, can unlock a world of health benefits that go far beyond what many people realize. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of honey and garlic, uncovering the science and tradition behind this dynamic health duo. For centuries, cultures around the globe have turned to natural remedies to support their well-being, and few combinations have stood the test of time like honey and garlic. Whether you're seeking immune support, relief from common ailments, or simply looking to boost your overall vitality, this combination deserves your attention. In a world where modern medicine often takes center stage, it's easy to overlook the powerful solutions that nature has provided. Yet so many of the health issues we face today, like weakened immunity, persistent colds, inflammation, and even high cholesterol, have natural solutions worth exploring. Many people are searching for alternatives to synthetic medications, hoping to find remedies that are effective, gentle, and free from harsh side effects. This is where honey and garlic step in, offering a natural, accessible approach to health that has been trusted for generations. But what exactly makes honey and garlic such a formidable pair? Let's start by looking at their individual strengths. Honey, often referred to as liquid gold, is much more than just a sweet treat. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and phytonutrients that support the body in numerous ways. Raw honey, in particular, contains compounds that have been shown to combat harmful bacteria, soothe sore throats, and speed up the healing of wounds. Its natural sugars provide a quick source of energy, while its antimicrobial properties help protect against infection. Honey also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting overall digestive health. Garlic, on the other hand, is a true medicinal powerhouse. This pungent bulb contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for many of its health-promoting effects. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it's known for its potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Garlic has been used for centuries to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and strengthen the immune system. It's rich in vitamin C and B6, as well as minerals like manganese and selenium, all of which play vital roles in maintaining good health. On their own, honey and garlic offer a wealth of benefits, but when combined, something remarkable happens. Their individual properties work together synergistically, enhancing each other's effects. Honey can help mask the strong taste of raw garlic, making it easier to consume, while also delivering its own antimicrobial punch. Together, they create a natural remedy that supports the body's defenses, reduces inflammation, and promotes healing from the inside out. Let's take a closer look at the science behind this combination. Studies have shown that both honey and garlic are effective against a wide range of bacteria, including strains that are resistant to conventional antibiotics. One compelling study, published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine, found that a mixture of honey and garlic extract was highly effective in inhibiting the growth of several pathogenic bacteria, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. The researchers concluded that this natural blend could be a promising alternative for managing infections, especially as antibiotic resistance becomes a growing concern worldwide. But the benefits don't stop there. Honey and garlic have also been shown to support heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Their anti-inflammatory properties make them valuable allies in managing chronic conditions and promoting long-term wellness. And because they're both natural foods, they come with far fewer risks or side effects than many over-the-counter medications. Beyond the science, there are countless testimonials from people who have experienced the benefits of this duo firsthand. Take the case of Maria, a mother of 3 who struggled with frequent colds and low energy. Tired of relying on conventional medicines, she started taking a spoonful of honey and minced garlic every morning. Within weeks, she noticed a dramatic improvement in her immune system, fewer sick days, more energy, and an overall sense of vitality she hadn't felt in years. Stories like Maria's are echoed around the world, offering hope and inspiration to those searching for natural solutions. So, how can you start reaping the benefits of honey and garlic? The simplest method is to crush a few cloves of fresh garlic and mix them with raw honey. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to activate the allicin, then take a spoonful daily. Some people prefer to let the mixture infuse for several days, creating a potent syrup that can be stored and used as needed. Whether you add it to warm water, drizzle it over salads, or simply enjoy it straight from the spoon, this simple remedy can become a valuable part of your daily wellness routine. To recap, honey and garlic are more than just flavorful additions to your meals. They're a time-tested, scientifically supported duo that can help address a variety of common health concerns. From fighting infections and boosting immunity, to supporting heart health and reducing inflammation, their combined power is truly remarkable. In a world where we're constantly searching for the next breakthrough, sometimes the most effective solutions are those that have been with us all along. If you're looking to take charge of your health in a natural, sustainable way, consider making honey and garlic a regular part of your wellness journey. Nature has provided us with incredible tools. Sometimes, it's just a matter of unlocking their secrets. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about natural health remedies, be sure to subscribe for more insights, tips, and inspiring stories. Your journey to better health starts with the choices you make today, so why not choose the wisdom of nature?